just thought I'd let you know, 'cause the way that you've been treating me, it's so unfair, baby. It's so